What'll I do when you are far away and I am blue? What'll I do when I'm alone with only dreams of you that won't come true? What'll I do?
I particularly recall a Captain Vitalis Kaunix, blonde, 37, in a sauna in Riga.
A Balti, not Baltic. What you up to? Putting all your toy boys in alphabetical order?
Does the name Monty Hart conjure up anything?
Why? Is he a magician?
In the last fortnight, I've had 3 letters from his solicitors asking me to get in touch urgently.
But why don't you?
Could be yet another messy divorce case. I mean, I've looked at all my diaries for the last 30 years. There's no mention of a Monty Hart.
October 2003. Monday the 16th. Michael in the study with handcuffs. Tuesday the 17th. Dr. David in the conservatory with a blindfold. Your life's one long game of sex Cluedo, isn't it?
Thank you.
Wednesday the 18th. Lucian in the billiard room with baby all. Or did he go in off the cushion? Friday the 20th.
Wonder what I did on the Thursday.
Maybe it was half-day closing.
I sense it's time to retire to my private quarters.
It's been a while since your quarters were private. Hold on, Dor, I've got something to tell you. I'll put the house on the market.
This house?
No, my ski chalet in Interlaken. Of course this house. I can't stand by and watch my boy struggle anymore. I mean, at his age, Garth should have his own place. And I was so proud of Travis when he got into uni. But what's his reward? A student loan he'll still be repaying when he draws his pension. So I'm downsizing. I'm going to give them both a lump sum. Look, I'm sorry if it affects you, Dor, but you'll be all right, won't you?
Of course.
Really? I thought you'd be quite sad about leaving.
A little, but I don't do gushing.
Oh, not since you got your new incontinence pads.
So, do the boys know about their imminent good fortune?
Not yet.
And what about the elephant in the room?
Sharon loves Christmas. Look, I can't go ruining her last one here. He'll have to wait till the new year.
Well, you'll have to tell her. She's not a child.
Jingle bells, fancy bells, Robin lays an egg.
Although...
Oh, Dor, you will never guess. Waterstones have got a massive window display of your new cookbook.
No.
No.
I'm not surprised. Who wants a cookbook about mushrooms for Christmas? 70 Shades of Shiitake?
Here, I've treated myself to an early Christmas present. You're gonna love this. It's called Ptolemy.
I don't think so.
Says it right there. It's as plain as the lines on your face.
The P is silent, as in psychopath, Sharon.
Why is it silent?
But it's from the ancient Greek. They had silent P's.
Well, Chris's nan certainly did. She ruined 2 sets of my loose covers.
So what's it do then, this Ptolemy?
Turn the heating on, change the telly channels, play music, even read the gas meter. If you could only teach Ptolemy to make toast, you need never get your Harris off the sofa again. Right, who wants a mince pie? I predict this is going to be our best Christmas ever.
Wait till the new year. No, I'm still here.
I flipping love Christmas.
No, thank you. Who would have thought there are so many Monty Harts in the phone book?
I thought you were avoiding him.
I can't. I have to know what he wants. I just do not want to go through his solicitor.
And you have been through a few in your time.
Ah, Golda Meir Nursing Home. Yes, I'm looking for a Mr. Monty Hart.
Ptolemy, play I Wish It Could Be Christmas Every Day by Wizard.
Billericay Tennis Club.
Why does he keep saying that?
You do? No, that's fine. Goodbye. Found him.
So now what?
Wouldn't you like to know?
Not really. Just make conversation.
Right. I'm off.
Have fun.
Fun. Cooking 50-quid lunches for corporate tosspots who don't know their asparagus from their elbow.
Ooh, you sound like you've been Corbynised.
That's what 0-hour contracts. 0 chance of owning your own home does to you.
I can't blame him for being angry. I mean, by the time I was his age, I had my own slum. Ptolemy, how can an auntie help Garthy get his own place?
Billericay Tennis Club.
Travis,
What?
every time I ask a question, Ptolemy says...
Billericay Tennis Club.
Ptolemy doesn't understand you because of your slovenly diction.
Cobblers. I speak proper.
That's great. The estate agent's showing a prospect round this afternoon, so if you want to make yourself scarce...
Ptolemy, would you be so kind as to play I Wish It Could Be Christmas Every Day by Wizard?
Billericay Tennis Club.
I'll take it back to the shop if I were you.
Ptolemy, where is the best place to play tennis in Billericay? Sorted, told ya. Best Christmas ever.